Hi friends, today we are going to make beginners simple chicken fry.
Beginners with no previous cooking experience can try out this chicken recipe. In less time, using less ingredients, we can make this chicken fry. Let's move to the video. Take a pan, heat 3 tablespoons oil. Add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Add chicken pieces. Fry on high flame for 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, mix it well. Fry on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Mix it well. Fry on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Sprinkle 4 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Now switch off the flame. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Our simple chicken fry is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.